Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Florence and I'm from Kenya, guys. Welcome to today's episode. This is my son. I'm a stay-at-home mom. I do home-based video, anything to do with home. That's what I do, guys. Welcome to today's video. We are going to cook dinner together. We are going to cook dinner together, guys. I'll be cooking rice together. Nataka karatasi, hebu kidogo. I wanted this paper, guys, because I want to peel potatoes. Because today we'll be cooking rice, a very quick one. Chapo, tangusha chapo. I'll be cooking rice, guys, as I was saying. Rice together with potatoes. Yes. So I really like to cook this dish when I'm tired and I don't want to cook a lot of things. Just one main dish and I'm done. So it's just for 3 of us, me, my son, and my husband, guys. Yeah, family of 3. So it's just a small dinner. So I really hope you are keeping safe wherever you are, guys. If you are doing good, and thank you so much for clicking to watch my videos. I really appreciate your support. I don't want to put a lot of potatoes. Yes. Unataka kutoa hiyo pia uharibu hiyo baba. Uliharibu toothbrush yangu pia hiyo unataka kuharibu. Yes. Hiyo sitakutolea. Hiyo ni mpya. Sasa nikikutolea alafu tena uende uharibu, nitashinda kwa duka. Nitashinda kwa duka. Nikiambia muuzaji nisaidie toothbrush. I don't want to put a lot of potatoes. This one should be enough. Sometimes I hate potatoes also. Those are tomatoes. Hii imeanguka. Usifungue hiyo. Usifungue. Nini imeanguka? And one onion, guys. Ona. This dish with avocado, it's very different. It's very sweet with avocado. So if you try to cook this one, make sure you include guacamole. Sometimes I like to use this too because of safety with children. I don't like using this one. You might be cooking and he's touching the fire. Anini unatoa? Unafanyanga vitu. Unafanyanga vitu nyuma yangu. Nikifunga macho kidogo ushaanza kutualisha guys. So let's start cooking. Here I will put tea. I cook tea at night guys. Natoa nini? Yeah, you see my son is busy. Yeah, I don't know what he's doing. Mbona acha hizo vitu zote? On the other side, we'll be cooking tea. Tea. Start by adding sugar. So we have our milk here. 1 liter of milk. So the person that I buy milk from today decided to cross. I'm really hoping that this milk is better because I bought it from another person. Now it's time to add tomatoes, guys. Yes. We add salt. Unafanya nini Denko? Kwa maji nataka ya nini? Kuja. And then we add the cooking rice. One little clip. This one. Unataka maji ya nini? So I like cooking this just because it is very quick, easy, and very sweet, guys. So if you see me cooking this one, I just want to be cook and I am done. Just one meal course and you are done. I didn't buy avocado because nowadays avocado is very expensive. You find a small avocado like this. They sell it at 50 bob. And you are like, when is the avocado at 50 bob? Chungwa tena. Lazima kuna chungwa mbili sahihi. Aleta. Utaangusha. One minute, guys. Guys, you add rice. Rice I use pishori. Since I started eating pishori, I've never gone back because I feel like and then we add water. So that one should be enough, guys. We wait for it to cook. On the other side, I'm really doubting this milk, but mapeleka majani wapi? Leta majani. We add tea leaves. So guys, this is realistic night routine. No filters, no faking, just the way it is, guys. So we wait for our rice to boil, to cook, and our tea to cook, and then we'll be back. Thank you so much for clicking to watch. I really appreciate your support, and thank you, guys. Adios. We will come back after the rice has cooked and the tea has cooked to finalize the video. That's yes. Guys, our rice is ready. You see? And our tea is ready. Ignore whatever happened down there. Mistake happened. Let me taste my rice. So thank you so much for clicking to watch. I really appreciate your support, guys. I really appreciate Remember to like, even if you don't comment, just like. And thank you so much, guys, if you have watched until the end. No filters, this is real, realistic night routine, guys. Perfect, guys. Oh? Everything is well. So thank you so much. That's the end of the video. Adios. See you on another vlog.